Hanukkah Recipes, delving into delicious traditions. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and tasty topic: Hanukkah recipes. Whether you're a fan of cooking or just love learning about different cultures, this video is for you. Let's dive into the delicious world of Hanukkah and its traditional recipes. Before we talk about the recipes, let's understand what Hanukkah is. Hanukkah, also known as the Festival of Lights, is a Jewish holiday celebrated for 8 nights and days. It commemorates the rededication of the Holy Temple in Jerusalem. Hanukkah is a time of joy, light, and of course, food. The food prepared during this festival is not just about taste, but also holds cultural and historical significance. Now, why is food so important in Hanukkah? One of the key features of Hanukkah recipes is the use of oil. This is to remember the miracle of the temple oil that lasted 8 days when it was expected to last only 1. Therefore, many Hanukkah dishes are oil-based, particularly fried foods. 2 of the most popular items are latkes and sufganiyot. Latkes are delicious potato pancakes. Traditionally, they're made from grated potatoes mixed with onion, egg, flour, and seasoning, then fried to golden perfection. Latkes are often served with applesauce or sour cream. Sufganiyot are sweet, jelly-filled donuts. These deep-fried delights are usually filled with red berry jam and dusted with powdered sugar. They're not just tasty but also symbolize the oil miracle of Hanukkah. Other dishes. Apart from latkes and sufganiyot, there are many other dishes associated with Hanukkah, like brisket, kugel, and various cheese dishes. Hanukkah recipes are more than just food. They're a way to connect with history and tradition. Each dish has a story and represents the resilience and joy of the Jewish people. By cooking and sharing these dishes, families pass down traditions and create lasting memories. We hope you enjoyed learning about Hanukkah recipes and their significance. Whether you try making these dishes or just learn something new about a different culture, we're glad you joined us for this culinary journey. Stay tuned for more interesting topics, and happy learning!